So hello everyone. Today we are going to do important drill for the beginners. So let's start. Today's first drill is rotation of ball from leg and from back. By doing this drill you get the grip of the ball and get idea of how to catch the ball. Do 3 reps and 3 sets of it. As you can do as fast as possible. Now let's jump to the second drill. The second drill is the same one, but it is in opposite direction. Do 3 reps and 3 sets of it as fast as possible. By doing this drill, you get the idea how to get the grip on the ball. Move on the third drill. The third drill is the most important drill. In this drill, you don't have to do like this, like how I am doing in this video. You have to get in the position and do the pound dribbles. You have to do this dribble with both hands, and it actually helps in the real time game. Now let's move on the fourth drill. The fourth drill is the simple drill, but it is more effective on the game. It's called crossovers. You can do the simple crossover and as fast as possible. Now let's move on the fifth drill of today's. The fifth drill is the V dribble. The V dribble is most effective drill among this, and you will get the idea how to catch the ball on a moving space. You have to do this drill with both the hands and try not to lose the ball, and if you lose, start again. Do this for the 10 seconds. Now the next drill is behind the back crossovers. Do this drill for 20 seconds and try not to lose your ball. I'm showing how it looks from backside. If you lose your ball, try to do it again. Let's go to next drill. The seventh drill is the pound and crossover. It's actually effective because you do the combo of pound dribble and crossovers. You change phase and momentum. And this drill is not actually a drill, but it is for stability and mobility. First you have to do with this left leg, and after you have to do this with the right leg. You have to perform this drill for 20 seconds with both legs. Now the last, you have to do the freestyle and combo moves what you have learned in this video. Try not to lose the ball and do it as effective as you can.